Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. I'm Bartholomew McGillicuddy, filling in for your regular host, who is temporarily unable to speak in complete sentences. Today, we continue our drive south on I-95, beginning in Florence County, South Carolina, at mile 171, counting down. I-95 is temporarily widened to as many as 4 lanes here due to the upcoming city of Florence and in preparation for junctions with a couple of major highways. Here, we clip the corner of Darlington County. Blink and you might miss it before re-entering Florence County. Darlington County is best known as the home of Darlington Raceway, where the NASCAR Southern 500 roars to life each year on its historic track. At exit 164, US Highway 52 crosses I-95. This is a highway that we've encountered again and again in our videos, as it takes a diagonal path from South Carolina up to the Canadian border in North Dakota. So we've driven on it concurrent with Interstate 94 in Minnesota and North Dakota. It had a brief reverse concurrency with US 61 near Dubuque, Iowa. We crossed it on I-55 south of Chicago. It ran concurrent with US 11 east of Wytheville, Virginia, and we saw a concurrency with I-85 through Salisbury, North Carolina. We're now in the city of Florence, which is the county seat of Florence County, sitting at the eastern terminus of I-20, right along Interstate 95. It serves as the main hub of the Florence metropolitan area and is central to the historical PD region of northeastern South Carolina, which also includes portions of southeastern North Carolina. With a population of 39,899 as of the 2020 census, Florence ranks as the 10th largest city in South Carolina. The city's revitalized historic downtown stretches from the Central Business District toward McLeod Medical Center and features several restored buildings. One of these is the Hotel Florence, which we explored in a video tour posted in 2024. Ahead, we pass through an interchange with I-20, and we get a control city of Savannah. But note that the first set of green signs indicates that there is more of I-20 to the east. However, this is the eastern terminus of I-20. At the next off-ramp, we'll see the eastern extension of I-20 correctly labeled as the I-20 Business Spur with a green shield. Interstate business routes aren't held to the same standards as regular interstate highways and are usually surface streets with non-grade separated intersections and traffic signals, as is the case here. Here at exit 157, we cross US Highway 76, which connects Chattanooga, Tennessee with Wilmington, North Carolina. Unlike the last US highway we crossed, I can't say that we've ever been on US 76 at all. Here, we enter Sumter County, located in the Midlands region of South Carolina. Home to 105,556 residents as of the 2020 census, the county is anchored by Shaw Air Force Base, one of the largest installations under the Air Force's Air Combat Command. On September 17, 2024, the National Park Service recognized both the city of Sumter and Sumter County as a joint World War II heritage city, honoring the area's contributions to the war effort and its lasting historical significance. We conclude today's video at mile 145. Thanks for watching. We'd like to give special thanks to front seat channel member Clark Olson and backseat members JH, Jeremy WC, Kathy Mason, Melissa Coppinger, and Carl K. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button, leave a comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.